Hello friends, welcome to this channel. This is Arun Kumar and this is our channel Chemistry Crafters with Banu. Now we are going to prepare handwash liquid. We have to use cosmetic raw materials and cosmetic grade raw materials. It should be safe to our hands. It should not dehydrate our skin. It should not remove oil content from our skin. It should give soothing effect, something like chillness, mildness to our skin during the washing process. It should not give any chemical feelings. Even for women and babies with sensitive skin, they should feel the softness. For hand wash liquid, the ideal pH is 5.5. From 5.5 to 6 we can accept because this is the pH of our skin, our hand. For hand wash liquid, viscosity should be medium, not excess or not less, because only with medium viscosity during the washing process it is possible to spread it our entire hands. If it is gel type, it is not possible. Natural and eco-friendly materials are advisable. As much as possible, we try to use natural plant extracts, herbal extracts, floral extracts, essential oils, etc. SLES 28% concentration and ammonium lauryl sulfate. Of course, both are anionic surfactants. Both are gentle, mild and effective surfactants. Why we are using two anionic surfactants here? Even though both are anionic surfactants coming under that category, they are having different cleaning properties, different foaming capacity, different foam stability and also different extent of chillness to hands. To achieve all these properties in our hand wash liquid, we need to use a blend of these two anionic surfactants. This is called as a synergetic effect. CAPB, full name is cocoa amido propyl butane. This is amphoteric surfactants, that means having both the charges. It is very mild and giving gentle feel on skins. It is a coconut oil derivative. CMEA, cocamide monoethanol amide. This is one of the common raw materials being used in cosmetics. This is non-ionic surfactants and giving the desired viscosity to our product and also effective cleaning material, and this is also natural plant extract, coconut oil derivative. So for now we have chosen all types of surfactants, anionic surfactants, amphoteric and non-ionic surfactants. So this type of all-round surfactants are required to achieve superior washing in hand wash liquid. Glycerin, it is also having many roles. The important two roles are, it is skin conditioner, it is skin moisturizer. This is required for hand wash liquid. Sodium chloride, this is required to achieve desired thickness in our hand wash liquid. Sodium citrate, this is water softening material. EDTA also water softening material. These two materials are required to achieve perfect hand washing. Citric acid has many roles in hand wash liquid. First of all, it is acid and it is having some amount of preservative nature, and it is chelating agent, and it is also a water softener, and importantly it is very helpful to maintain the required pH in our hand wash liquid. Propylene glycol, this is a very good solvent and also skin moisturizer, but the main reason why we are using this material is CMEA. Previously we have seen that material is not soluble in water, so we need to dissolve in propylene glycol solution. Color, preservative, perfume, we know the role of these materials. It is not premium quality hand wash liquid, but it is 80% equivalent to any of the branded premium hand wash liquid. More or less in all the branded hand wash liquids, they have mentioned the list of ingredients. In all the hand wash liquids, 80% or at least 70% materials are common. So that common 70%, 80% materials we have used. We did not copy those formulas, but based on the guidelines left with no other options, we need to use these materials only. With this formula, by adding extra 20% material, anyone can formulate premium quality hand wash liquid or hand wash gel. Those 20% materials are either it may be a antimicrobial agent like triclosan or ethylene glycol distearate. This is a palacing agent, or something like natural plant or floral extracts, herbal extracts to achieve the soothness, to achieve the perfume smell, whatever it is like that. Now let us get into the making video. Today our batch size is 200 ml. I have taken all the raw materials to prepare 200 ml of hand wash liquid. This is 500 ml capacity plastic vessel. First I am charging RO water. Complete measurements and details I have given in PDF formula. Then I am charging SLES and I am charging CAPB. Each and every time I am stirring properly, but with a spoon only. I cannot use blender with this amount of materials. I will use blender little later, because without blending, proper blending, it is not possible to achieve good quality. Then I am adding ALS. Now I am adding glycerin. Next, as per the formula, I have to add 2.4 grams of CMEA. The problem is it is not soluble in water. So we need to adopt one method that is very simple. Actually, for this batch size, I need to use 2.4 grams of CMEA. So I am taking 20 ml water. Then I am adding 8 ml propylene glycol. So this is propylene glycol solution. Then I am going to add CMEA, and even though it is not soluble in this propylene glycol solution, by using Bain-Marie method, we have to heat it. Bain-Marie method is nothing but double boiler method. So on gentle heating, not direct flame, on gentle heating, we will achieve the dissolution of CMEA in propylene glycol solution. This is the principle and the process of dissolution of CMEA. Let us see the video. I have taken all the materials ready. Before switching on the stove, we need to ensure that there is no flammable material in our surroundings. First, in glass beaker, I am adding 20 ml RO water. And then I am adding 8 ml propylene glycol. It is instantly miscible with water. Then I am going to charge CMEA. Now I am going to keep it in water bath. Here, this is called as Bain-Marie method. I am not heating the propylene glycol solution directly over the flame. I am using some water bath, so indirect heating, because in case of direct heating, there is a possibility for changing the chemical nature of the raw materials. Now, after 1 or 2 minutes, the CMEA is completely dissolved. If I would have taken little excess propylene glycol, it is like a clear transparent liquid, but as per the formula it is not required. So after the dissolution, I got some cloudy nature, cloudy appearance of material. It means it is dissolved in that medium. after the cooling process or after the addition of excess water, so it will not once again settle at the bottom. Now I am going to charge the CMEA dissolved in propylene glycol solution. Now I am going to use blender. Without blender, with manual blending, it is not possible to get good quality of hand wash liquid. The blending is very important here. Next, I am adding this solution. This solution is mixture of sodium chloride, sodium citrate, citric acid and EDTA. Next, I am adding perfume. For hand wash liquid, the ideal choice of flavor is either fruit or floral or any herbals. Simultaneously, before blending, I am adding color and also preservative. In case of hand wash liquid, the ideal preservative is DMDM hydantoin, but this is also formalin releasing mechanism, so I prefer to avoid this preservative. As usual, I am going to use phenoxyethanol. For this composition, for this pH, phenoxyethanol is perfectly okay. After completing the process, we have to ensure the pH. It should be 5.5. If you want to modify the pH, you can modify. If you want to reduce the pH, add little amount of citric acid. If you want to increase the pH, add little amount of baking soda. But as per the formula, the pH should come only 5.5 or maximum 6. Now process is over. We will allow to settle for 24 hours. Now 24 hours over. Let us examine the quality. It is very clear and transparent. The viscosity is moderate. I will transfer the hand wash liquid to one beaker so that we can observe more clearly. Now we will compare it with one branded hand wash liquid. Of course, both are looks same. Let us check the pH. This is pH of our hand wash liquid 5.5. Okay. This is pH of Santur hand wash liquid. It is also 5.5.